I'm Heather Claridge. I'm Director of Design at Architecture and Design Scotland. Design means to me where you take the needs of the place and the people and use creative problem solving and work together to identify a good way forward. Design is so important to create people-centred, climate-conscious places because we have lots of different needs that we need to plan for. We've got an ageing population, we've got climate change, and we've got different uses that are all competing for space. So actually design is a really good way of bringing all those things together, from the roads to the uses of buildings to the green infrastructure and biodiversity, and you can bring it all together through design. A really good example of design is in the Clay Pits project in Glasgow, which is part of the Canal Corridor, where it's a former vacant and derelict site that's been redeveloped as a local nature reserve, and design has been used as a really good way to introduce different walks, routes, play spaces. There's a bridge link which has been designed really cleverly to open up so users of the canal can still pass, as well as being used as a link between the health centre and the new housing. It's also a drainage facility to help support the housing, and people use that space and love that space for walking, cycling, play. So it's really transformed that space, and the community has been at the heart of that process. The value of design for me is about bringing lots of different opportunities and interests together and really creating positive outcomes, so improving the lives of people in Scotland.